Hi everyone. It's Foundations time. How you doing today? Good. I want you to check out Mama Echo. Can anyone guess what her favorite sound is? It's the R control sounds because she likes to pretend she's a pirate. All right, here we go. Let's do them together. AR car R. OR horn or. ER her IR bird UR burn Think Mama Echo, you can fly away now and play pirate. Okay, let's do some of our tricky vowel sounds. I'm flipping through. How have you been doing with them? Are you getting better at writing them all out? Let's do all the A's. A safe A apple A acorn A washa, A squasha, A Alaska Let's do the E's. E add E P E me Thighs. I itch I pine I high I animal or I champion The O's. O octopus O home O no The U's. You up You mule you rule you pupil you flew And the why cry why baby because we all know that sometimes the Y is a vowel. I'm looking at my board and it looks like the yellow card for the Y being a vowel is missing. Oh my goodness. Let's check out some other cards. The upside down E, which is the schwa sound. Anything else? Here's one. What is this? Very good. TCH catch. And I'll keep looking for that Y. Anyways, in the meantime, we are going to work more on our new syllable type that we learned yesterday, consonant L-E. And does anyone remember the other thing we call this? The final consonant, because it's always at the end, the final syllable type. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. I would like you to get out your whiteboards, please. Yours look like this. Make sure you're always cleaning them, or else it's really hard to get off if you wait too long. Okay. Repeat after me. Tumble. Okay, let's break it into syllables. So whenever we're talking syllables, we're using these boxes at the top, just like I use my syllable boxes when I do it on the board. So I like to put my hand under to help me with syllables. Tumble. What's the first syllable? Tum. So I want you to go ahead and write it on your whiteboard while I build it. Just that first syllable. And write it in the syllable box. Tum. Okay. Now, what is the second syllable? Bull. So I hear b, b, and I hear oh. I hear bull. What did you write that in your syllable box? Good. What letter do I need to add? That's right. I need to add the E. We hear the blend, but that E we don't hear. Now we have the word tumble. Baby Echo's going to tumble around. Okay, let's try some more. Repeat after me. Stumble. Let's do the syllables. Stumble. Okay, go ahead. Write the first syllable. Stum. Ha, look. And then the second syllable, write bull. Tumble, stumble. Those words rhyme. Okay, did you write out stumble? Go ahead and erase, and I'm going to spell it away. S-T-U-M-B-L-E. Okay. Repeat after me, and this time I'm going to give you a little more time to do it on your own. Simple. First syllable, sim. Second syllable, pull. Simple. It's simple. Just do it syllable by syllable. Pause until you finish, and then you can check it to mine. All right, you're back. Hi, guys. I'm going to hold mine up. Check it out. How did you do? Okay, fix any mistakes if you need to. And let's do one more. Repeat after me. Nibble. 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 Pause if you need to finish it off. Did you remember to have a B in the beginning and the end of each syllable? Or not the end, just the beginning. Two B's. The end of the first syllable and the beginning of the second. What would happen if we didn't? If there was only one B, it would probably look like this. It'd be an open syllable. It'd say nibble. But we don't nibble our food. We nibble it. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a little break from our whiteboards, do some new sound-alikes, and then go back to our whiteboards. So don't put it away too far. Okay, let's look at all the sound-alikes we've done so far. They beat the teacher. Throne, throne. Which one means a seat for a queen? Spell it. T-H-R-O-N-E. Okay, beat the teacher. Flower, flower. Did you say them before me? Good reading. Which one means something that blooms in the spring and bees collect pollen from it? Can you spell which one? F-L-O-W-E-R. Great. Find, find. Can you use this one in a sentence for me? Say it out loud, even if you're talking to the computer. I do it all day long, it's okay. Good sentence. I need to find my wallet. It's lost. Can you use this one in a sentence? She was fined for stealing from the store. Oh, it's not good. Okay, last one. High, high. Which one means way up high in the sky? H-I-G-H. Very nice, my friends. Are you ready for 2 new words? Okay, here's our new ones. We have principal. Can everyone say principal? Good. And look, here's our other one. Principle. Let's talk about them. This one means a belief or something people live by. You might hear someone say, well, it's just the principle of it all. It's like an idea that you have that you want to hold true to. It's something you just believe. So for example, if you believe that you always need to hold the door open for somebody and someone doesn't do it for you, you might get upset because you might say, "Ah, it's just the principle of it, it's respect." This one, I always remember it because look at the word that's at the end. What's that word? Pal. A pal is like a friend. Even though we don't say principal, we say principal. But this is like the principal who's the head of a school. And usually the principal wants to be your friend, even if you think it's someone who you have to go to when you get in trouble. That's not really the principal's job. It's somebody to help you with things in life. Okay? So here's what we need to do. You need to get your student notebooks. Dun, dun, dun. And go to the sound alikes in the back and find the P for principal. Okay, did you find those two words? And we are going to copy in those definitions. So the first one listed here is the one with pal. Why don't you underline that part that says pal? And our definition is head of a school. Okay, I'll show this to you in 1 minute. I'll hold it up. And then we have our second principle, and it says a belief or something one lives by. Okay, there's your definitions. Why don't you pause here and copy those down? Don't come back until they're neatly written in. Okay, you're back. So we will end with a little bit of dictation. You need your dry erase, and I want to start with 3 sounds. So please go ahead and label it 1, 2, 3. Okay, here's your first sound. Repeat after me. Write all the ways to do the sound ch. Number 2, repeat after me. Write all the ways to do the sound Number 3, ank. Write the way to do ank. Okay, check your sounds to mine. We have 2 ways to do ch. And then for we have the short U sound like up. We have the A at the end like Alaska. And we have the I like an animal. Did you get all those? And then ank is A-N-K. Get out your handy dandy eraser or your sock or tissue, whatever you use to erase at home. And let's do a couple words. Repeat after me. Table. Pause here and do the syllables in table. Table. Okay, number 2, go down to the next line. Jingle. Jingle. Pause to do jingle. And number 3, trying. What's the base word? Try. Add your suffix and think about your rules. Come back when you have those 3 words done. Table, jingle, trying. Okay, please mark the syllable types on table and jingle and the sounds that the vowels make. And on trying, I want you to underline the base word, circle the suffix, and tell us what the Y sounds like. Pause if you need to do all your marking. And when you're done, I want you to really check it over and fix it up to mine. We have an open syllable with a long vowel over the top and a consonant LE syllable, a closed and a consonant LE, and the Y sounds like a long I in trying. I hope you remembered that rule, that when it's a suffix that starts with I, we keep the Y. All right, guys, great job today. Don't forget to erase. See you next time.